दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। टाइटल पढ़ के समझ गए होंगे हम क्या करने वाले हैं। भाई वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे यहाँ वहाँ की बातें नहीं करते हैं। लेट्स जस्ट नॉट टॉक बुलशिट, लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू द वीडियो, लेट्स चेक इट आउट. And this is like a recommendation from one of my subscribers in the comment section. So if you want to suggest me or if you want to recommend me something to watch and you want me to react on that, you want me to analyze a particular song, trailer, movie, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It is from your country, India, Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section what do you want to see. So anyways, this is like a song, it's like a medley mashup thing, I guess. I am guessing it's kind of medley mashup thing from different movies, I suppose. And Kochi, this video is directly from the Kochi YouTube channel, and I don't know what Kochi is. Like, I know what Kochi is. Kochi is a place in India, but I am sure this is not that Kochi. I am sure about that. So I am guessing, let me guess first. I am guessing Kochi is a group. Kochi is group of like 4 or 5 members maybe, and all are ladies. I am seeing in the thumbnail there are a lot of like 4 of them, the beautiful pretty ladies in the thumbnail, and I want to watch them singing those medleys, singing those compositions. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Boy, this video is already catching my eye, including my ears. Why? I'll tell you after we finish this video. So that guitar in between that. Okay, the thing that these beautiful pretty ladies are doing here, it's called, like, I call it grouping. It's just ki, you know, in music thing, I don't really go in that theoretical words and theoretical methods and theoretical concepts. I make my own words just because I want to remember all those things I want to remember. So that's why I just go into my own words. I create my own thing. So the thing that these ladies are doing, I call it grouping. Grouping. Not groping. Don't confuse it with groping. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. That was vulgar. I meant grouping. Okay, wait a second. I don't know. I am getting a little bit confused right now. Is this song is from a single movie or it just changed the movie song? I don't know, because it's all like, it sounds similar because of the music and the composition and the grouping thing like they all are doing. And other than that, my eyes are caught on this. I'll let you know in the end of the video why.
Igi karadi mari karamin Tani memo sundari api sana sille Kimhane page palui kaurat man
Okay, now my confusion is clear. Now I know it's like totally different movies and totally different songs, but they just mixed it together and made it beautiful single composition. I like that.
Naine alu ehi sadehi matubu lakare ya oblu Kasturi suvandak sattakin mama oba pili banda hewa Isara susumaka suvanda podandi oba hatema ewa Sapuma wahina prema vasante oba unusuma lawa Lasana hina ya sattakin mama oba namatama liwa Kasturi suvandak sattakin oba sulaga bisingena
Okay, this composition that's going on right now, this is like my abhi tak, like the songs I heard till now. In this video particularly, I'm talking about this only particular video. The songs that I heard till now, this is like my favorite part of this video. The composition basically. I love that composition. Like this, ऐसे गया and then suddenly drop, फिर एक soft सा BG, उसके बाद then again it goes up, then down, and then I love that.
Isara susumaka suvanda matakara mahada madata mahalavu Sapuma sarasana ramya basante nima novenale satanavu Lasana sine ka sattakin moba kauru dova manudutu La 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 Hina takina vada sindu ahana vada Call karana vada kohenda kohomada Maika vaideka kiyanna venava nettang request
You know how these all songs are? It's kind of, it sounds like, you know, you just gotta listen to it and you just gotta vibe on that like continuously. These songs sounds like that.
Ranne kohomada Hello hello namahu khatto yage call connecting nava halagena Obe life ek boring gana kotte call kala phone ekata set ratata ma henna namagama kiyanna life ek arius neti karagena alut na sindu ya bilanga tiyanne kadat taliyenna bennu ahanai Salli pakuru mille auru sina vele bambara rangum pana Punchi ratka punchi apta sihina saba venna varamona Satutuka
And this composition is like my second favorite. It's like I loved every song till now, like every single song, but it's like, you know, you always get some different type of feeling when it's kind of you are connecting with some music, with some beats. So it's like, yeah, I'm connecting to this and I got connected to that, the first one that I said that is my favorite, and this is my like second favorite thing till now.
Dulu basa matin mutu kuda yalanna apata ona
And if you're still watching this video till here, so please let me know in the comment section what is the name of these songs, like my favorite one, the first one, and this one, the second one. And maybe after some minutes, maybe it's gonna be third one, so I don't know. But please right now just abhi pause this video, go into the comment section, let me know the name of the first song and the second song, my favorite one.
Hitte saviya gatte viriya patati mek mahiriya vela Mundu hate nalaralle ora badala apiyawa naya biman makara katin ringara
Vibing bro, vibing bro.
Malkala balaga paata seduna deva dunna ahase pevuna sambak
Okay, wait a second. I don't know, is this song that whistle thing, you know, and after all those sequence after that whistle thing, I don't know if this song is the same song, the favorite one, like I said, the favorite number 2, or is this different? If is it different? So please let me know. Please, I beg you, please let me know the third one. This is my third favorite now. Not because of the whistle, but it's just that connection, bro. Okay, it's over, bro. It's over. Okay, so there are like 3 favorite songs of this video. I don't know what was the sequence, I don't remember, but I remember my second and third one. That was the last one, and the second last one, that was my second and third favorite. First one, I don't remember the sequence, which one it was, but I'm sure you know that, so please let me know in the comment section, please. Now it's time to talk about this video. The very first thing that I talked at the starting of this video, that this video already caught my eyes and ears. Why so? Let me just explain it to you. Okay? Why my ears? Because of the composition. It was like I was expecting, like I'm just continuously watching videos from the studios and the live concerts and all that stuff, but this video is neither it was a studio recording, neither it was a live concert. It was like authentic, I'd say authentic reality based video. And the composition, obviously composition was not that like a lot of musical instruments and all that stuff. These people are raw talent. Okay? And now let me just tell you why this video caught my eyes. Maybe it's kind of foolish, maybe I'm gonna sound a little bit cocky, I'd say, but I'm not. Okay, I'm not. It's just my point of view. What I felt, I'm gonna tell you genuinely, so don't get offended. This video got my eyes because of those pretty ladies, those beautiful ladies. Just, you can look at them. You can just pause this video, you can just watch the thumbnail, or you can find the original videos link in my in this video's description, so you can check out the original video on Kochi's channel. And remembering of Kochi, please let me know what is Kochi. I am guessing, like I guessed before, like I guessed at the starting of the video, that maybe Kochi is this group, particular, just for, and there's 4 and 5 and those beautiful pretty ladies were. I guess Kochi is that group. So maybe whatever it is, please let me know that. I loved that. I enjoyed the vibes. Like I said, that the song was all, that vibey stuff. And I just love to vibe. I just love it. It doesn't matter what language it is. Music has no language, brother. दोस्तों, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. चैनल पर नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना, और इसी तरह के और भी वीडियोस आपको मेरे चैनल पर मिलती रहेंगी. उसके लिए आप you have to stay connected, stay tuned. And one more thing. If you are in a relationship, or you like a person, you want to know about your life, if you want to know the things related to relationships, and if you want to know the answers related to your relationships, your love lives, and all the confusions you are in, you want to solve all those stuff. So now I'm gonna announce it on this video, available on the Spotify as well. Well, that's in Hindi, but I'd say you will learn a lot from my podcasts. लिंक इन द गिवन डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो, वहाँ पर आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो. वहाँ पर आपको मेरे पॉडकास्ट से रिलेटेड लिंक मिल जाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर इनटू पोइट्रीज, इफ़ यू आर इनटू स्टोरी टेलिंग, इफ़ यू आर इनटू फिल्म मेकिंग, इफ़ यू आर इनटू स्टोरी राइटिंग, एक्टिंग, मॉडलिंग, फिटनेस थिंग, सो यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. उसका भी लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. यू कैन गो एंड चेक मी आउट देयर, फॉलो मी अप देयर. एंड ऑन द पॉडकास्ट you'll get new episode in every week, so subscribe me there and see you soon.